Hi, my name is Alexis Rosario, and I'm an instructional coach here at Cedar Tree Academy. Welcome to our virtual open house. Today we'll take a walk through a day as a kindergarten student at Cedar Tree Academy. Come along. Our kindergarten students start their day at 7:45 in the morning, and at this time, when they come into the classroom, they unpack their belongings, they sit down, they have a healthy breakfast provided at no extra cost from DC Central Kitchen, and then they begin their do now, and they could also have the ability to converse with their friends. At 8:30, we have morning meeting, and during this time, our students discuss the calendar, the days of the week, the months of the year, how many days we've been in school, and we end our morning meeting with a morning message which kickstarts our day. Next, we'll talk about our read aloud time. During this time, our students are taught a new comprehension skill through a fun and engaging story. They are also introduced to new vocabulary words, sight words, and participate in higher order thinking questioning. Next, we'll talk about whole group reading. During this time, our students are introduced to new units, genres, and themes. They also work on their foundational skills. This is one of the most essential parts of our literacy instruction. Next, we'll talk about reading small groups. Our students take an assessment and are placed into 4 separate groups. During this time, students work on guided reading, phonics, word work, and also technology. Next, we'll talk about our writing block. During this time, our teachers use the Handwriting Without Tears curriculum to teach our students how to properly form their letters and how to create sentences. Let's talk about lunch. Lunch is provided free of charge to our students at Cedar Tree through DC Central Kitchen. Students may bring their lunch from home, but please keep in mind that Cedar Tree is a nut-free school. Next, let's talk about recess. During this time, our students are allotted a 45-minute break where they are allowed to go outside and play and engage with their peers. If the weather does not permit, students also are able to have indoor recess. Next, we'll talk about Second Step. Second Step is our social and emotional learning program. It's what our teachers use to help our students work through their feelings. Next, we'll talk about our math whole group. During this time, our students learn how to count, write numbers, and add. It is an essential part of a student's day. Next, we'll talk about math small group. During this time, our students are broken into 4 small groups. They work on writing numbers, using math technology, and playing math games. Next, we'll talk about our snack time. During this time, our students are provided a healthy snack option through DC Central Kitchen. This option usually includes a vegetable or a fruit. Next, we'll talk about dismissal. During this time, our students wrap up their day, gather their belongings, and say goodbye to their friends.